As a result of the aggression policy executed in the mantle of Addis Ababa regime and under the tutelage of the Soviet Union, the Ethiopian people have been relegated to acute impoverishment with a plummeting economic situation, deteriorating overall security, forcible conscription, and the total deprivation of their political and human rights. The various political ploys conjured by the Soviet Union and the Ethiopian regime to consolidate their power have invariably failed and proved to no avail. At this stage, even the military institution they regard as their unswerving political base is not only cracking, but more ominously has commenced to raise arms in dissension. The recent border incursion into Somali territory under the